What's up guys, Cody with Lee Company. I'm an HVAC technician. We got a maintenance call. We're gonna go take care of the customer. Let's go. All right guys, we just got here to the customer's house. We're gonna grab our tools and start this maintenance. This is Cody with Lee Company, out here today performing single system cooling maintenance. Going to check everything from top to bottom. Going to pull and flush this drain and make sure we're draining well and everything's cooling properly for summer. Alright guys, so we're here at the air handler. We're going to make sure everything's draining properly. We don't want to have any stoppages this summer. We're going to check the airflow, check the filter, also the blower motor inside the unit. Make sure it's all clean and make sure everything's good. All right, so one important thing we want to do is check the blower wheel. If we have excess dirt or dust or anything built up, it can reduce airflow and hurt the efficiency of the system. All right, so one of the most important things we do on this maintenance is we clear and flush the drain line. So especially if the system is in the attic, we don't want to have to worry about any kind of water damage or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and get it flushed. All right guys, we're all done with the air handler. Gonna get this back together, then we're gonna go outside and clean the coils. All right, so now we're out here at the condensing unit. This is where we check our refrigerant pressures, we check our capacitors, which are a commonly failed item on HVAC. So we wanna check over everything, check amperage on the components, just check overall health of the system. All right guys, so this is our capacitor. Pretty common wear point on HVAC systems. So during every maintenance, we like to take them off and test them. All right, so this capacitor is looking good. We're gonna put it back in there and check everything else on the system. All right, so we got the refrigerant pressures checked, got our amperage and our capacitor checked. Everything looked good. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pull this top of the fan. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning the coils. All right, so now we are checking for refrigerant leaks. I did notice a little bit of refrigerant oil down here at the condensing unit. So this is my electronic leak detector. Gonna go over it, make sure there's no leaks. All right guys, we're all wrapped up on the maintenance. Last thing we want to do is check our temperature coming out, just to make sure we're cooling well before we go. All right guys, so we're all wrapped up with the maintenance. We flushed the drain, we cleaned the coils, checked all the electrical and mechanical components. Everything's looking good. That's it for this maintenance call. If you need anything, call Lee Company. Thanks so much.